Hello everyone, and welcome to eFinancial Models. In today's video, we will learn how to combine the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions. We will learn how to do a two-way lookup by putting these two functions together. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also, visit our website, efinancialmodels.com. The VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions are found under the Lookup and Reference function in Excel. The VLOOKUP function searches vertically from the leftmost column of a table. The VLOOKUP function searches column-wise. The HLOOKUP function searches horizontally from the top row of a table. It searches row-wise. Let's use a simple multi-year income statement to show you how to use these two functions together. For presentation purposes, the table has conditional formatting, so it will be easy to check the results. Also, the columns are numbered. This will be useful later on. On the leftmost side of the table, we have the typical parts of an income statement, from the total revenue all the way down to net income. The column headers of the table indicate the respective years. On the right side of the worksheet, since we're doing a two-way lookup, we have two lookup selectors with a drop-down menu for the year and the account name. Let's go over each lookup selector to identify which function to use. The first lookup selector, the year, is presented horizontally in the table, so we will use the HLOOKUP function. The second lookup selector, the account name, is presented vertically, so we will use the VLOOKUP function. In our example, we want to find the total revenue for the year 2015. So how to do a two-way lookup? By combining the two functions together. It is also called a nested function. A nested function uses another function as one of its arguments. In this case, we will use the HLOOKUP function as an argument in the VLOOKUP function. So we type the equal sign, the function name VLOOKUP. As you can see, the VLOOKUP formula has four arguments: the lookup value, the table array, the column index number, and the range lookup. The lookup value is the value you want to find. What lookup selector is arranged vertically? The account name, so we use a reference cell J7. The table array is a range of cells where to look. We will look vertically from cells B5 to G12. The column index number is a column number that contains the value we need. Recall that the account names corresponds with the year. To find the total revenue for the year 2015, we have to look up the year 2015. Since the years are arranged horizontally, we need the HLOOKUP function. The column index number argument is replaced by the HLOOKUP function. Instead of entering a column number, we will use the HLOOKUP function. For this, we need the help of the column numbers indicated at the bottom of the table. So we type HLOOKUP. As you can see, similar to the VLOOKUP function, it also has four arguments. The lookup value is the value that you want to find. That will be year 2015 in reference cell J6. The table array is a range of cells where to look. That will be from cells B5 to G13. The row number indicates exactly which row to find the value we want. In this case, we want to use the numbers at the bottom of the table. These are located in the 9th row, so we type the number 9. Lastly, since we need an exact match, we choose false. Now we move on to the VLOOKUP's last argument. We also want an exact match, so we use false. And hit enter. And what do we get? The total revenue for the year 2015 is 65.2 million, which is correct. Let's tinker with this. Let's look up the year 2017, and the account will be for the net income. And what do we get? 9.75 million, which is correct. There are other ways to do a two-way lookup in Excel, using nested functions like combining the VLOOKUP with match and the HLOOKUP with match function. You can download a free Excel spreadsheet in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. To watch more videos from us, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.